7.3, we're going to use practice data set 2 to determine if salaries are influenced by sex or job classification. This is a factorial ANOVA. Analyze general linear model, univariate. We're looking for salary as our dependent variable, and sex and job classification as our fixed factors. Under options, I'm going to select descriptive statistics. And here is our output. For our analysis of variance, we actually have 3 answers. We have a main effect for sex, a main effect for job classification, and the interaction. Here, the main effect for sex is significant, job classification is not, but there is a significant interaction. When there is a significant interaction, it's a good idea to make a plot to look at the exact nature of that interaction.